Welcome to this video where we're going to talk about practicing your rudiments and patterns over a beat that is different from the structure of your rudiment. So what do I mean by this? Let's take your paradiddle, for example, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So that is based on a 4 subdivided beat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. What if we tried to have fun with a click that was not subdivided the same way? What I mean by it is, let's take a subdivision. So we are playing the paradiddle on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the click will be playing every 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I mean by that is being able to play any rudiment in any context you like. For example, you're playing a shuffle groove. I will play it later to show you. But shuffle groove, and then suddenly I want to play a fill. I don't want to stick with only patterns that are in 6, you know. I want to play patterns that are in 4, in 5, in 7, in anything I like, and be able to place it and to know where to start and where to end. This paradiddle in 4, if I was playing on this 6 subdivided, and then I can use my paradiddle inside my 6 subdivided beat. And that's what we are going to learn now. Let's hear the click. So you know this click is representing our 6 subdivided beat. So that's our subdivision, right? And what we want naturally to play over this 6 subdivided beat is rudiments in 6, like etc. But we don't want to do that. We want to practice playing a rudiment in 4, for example, like a paradiddle. So we take our subdivision here in 6, and then we play our paradiddle. Now I will demonstrate on the kit playing this fill in grooves. So first thing, I will play the paradiddle on the snare, and then I will try to orchestrate it differently on the kit.